Meaning of endoglossic.
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 Endoglossic. The term endoglossic refers to the use of a language or dialect within a particular speech community or group. This type of language use is often characterized by a high degree of internal consistency and coherence, with speakers sharing a common set of linguistic norms and conventions that distinguish their variety from others. One result of endoglossic language use is the creation and maintenance of distinct cultural identities and traditions, as well as the development of specialized vocabulary and discourse practices that serve to reinforce group solidarity and cohesion.